turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, kailangan ikot, tibo muka. Ikot, tibo muka, no? Kailangan sarado. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, pag-place 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pwede ka ikot-ikot. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, next, downward. Downward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, pwede mo siya i-continue. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that is the basic like Nansoko style or form. The next, the umbrella, right and left also. Umbrella. Next, 1, strike, 2, ikot solo, strike, 3, good, strike, 4, strike, 5, strike, 6, strike, 6, go, tuloy lang, yan, tuloy, 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 tuloy. Okay, that is the how to practice the single cane rattle. Okay, next, okay, with turning downward. Ang ikot, kailangan huwag ibuka ang kamay. Pag nabuka ang kamay, ibig sabihin hindi siya well trained. Ibig sabihin hindi perfect yung kanyang twirling. So pag twirl mo, kailangan sarado, baba, akyat, baba, akyat. Kailangan sarado yung kamay. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, other side, left side, the same technique. Okay, kailangan huwag isa buka ang kamay pag nag-ikot. Buka yan, ibig sabihin, hindi siya tutuhong abisador. Kailangan nakasara. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, this side. Next. Okay. Armpit lock. Same din, no? Kailangan dito pa. Ipit. Good. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, other side. Same technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, kailangan kamay lagi nilagay. Okay, good. Okay, next. Okay, next striking with curling single cane, no? Okay, downward strike with ikot, balik with ikot. Strike with curling, turn with curling. Forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Kailangan Sarado lang yung kamay, huwag yung buka. So, lagyan natin with power. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Exercise always guide your left hand in your front. Okay. Again, 1. Push. 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 Okay, other side. Same technique. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is finger cane strike technique. Okay. So next. Okay. Now we have to combine the 6 basic twirling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. At tuloy-tuloy na ganun lang mangyayari. Tuloy-tuloy na ganun mangyayari. Okay. Tuloy-tuloy na ganun mangyayari. Tuloy-tuloy na ganun mangyayari. Play.